Hola my people, welcome back to another video with JNM TV. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment and hit that notification bell. Alright, let's go straight into it. So guys, Pretty Dan almost lost her life. Yes guys, right? So Pretty Dan took to social media, Instagram to be specific, and she made a post. A very known TikToker pulled up to my house with two other men in mask. He pulled a gun on me and threatened my life. He said I call his name on TikTok. I have never been so traumatized in all my life. I have not gone live since. Being in fear of your life is a different trauma. So guys, when everybody say that now, you know people are gonna make speculation. They might say Pretty Dan lie like, a sympathy, she a look and all of them something and nobody no pull up her yard. And then some people a comment and a say, and Pretty Dan she go like she bad, she always a this people and all of them something there and always a dear people for pull up her yard. So why she a cry now? But as I say guys, enough people never believe. So here what me know guys, Pretty Dan then made another post, right? And she say, one thing, Spice and World Dog I go check for me. So, right, listen now guys, that I tell you say, no other content creator, no TikToker, never check on Pretty Dan apart from Spice and World Dog. So apparently them call Pretty Dan and I say, dog, me see you post something, what go on? You get what me I say, are you good? So them I show them concern. Alright then guys, we still not believe, Guys, Pretty Dan subsequent post now. Pretty Dan say, so Blamdem pull up to my home on Wednesday night at 7:23 p.m. with two other men in mask. And he pulled a gun at me and threatened my life. I have it all on my outside camera. And the police have it too. Guys, no, this serious now, So we know, because I'm going to include myself in it too, right? We now start to say then, oh, Pretty Dan knows I Blamdem. Remember, we never see Blamdem face yet. There's always speculation what Blamdem look like, guys, but we have no proof, absolutely no proof. So everybody has say, oh, Pretty Dan knows I Blamdem. So people are comment now, and I say, boy, I like Pretty Dan I tell, and all of them stuff because she wouldn't know say I Blamdem. Remember now, guys, we have never seen Blamdem's face on social media. I just him voice, just to see him voice and thing. So everybody has say, how Pretty Dan know that? Well guys, the shocking revelation came out. Pretty Dan actually posted a part of the camera footage, guys. Yes, 3 men were seen in the video, guys. And the man without the mask actually sound like Blamdem. So the voice cannot be hidden. The voice can't hide people. Because him say something to Dan, When I know it, I can't, it happens so fast like him say, either him say, wow, go on. Or some healing did take place. So we hear the voice, and truth to be told, guys, it really sound like Blamdem. It really sound like Blamdem. Yeah, man, it really sound like Blamdem. Alright, I'm going to drop the video. It's just a little part. I'm going to drop the video same way so you can see what take place. The entire video cannot be posted because gun was shown and stuff, a part of YouTube's policy. You cannot post that. So guys, after that now, Blamdem now took to Instagram now and post. Uno love trouble people, and when it get ugly, uno run to police and the media. Yeah? So basically, guys, Blamdem admit say him in the video Pretty Dan house, Blamdem admit that, you know. See, him. Right? Alright. Then, Blamdem show out another post again shortly after that. Say, I'm a success, I'm mad, you know. So, guys, basically, Blamdem say, it's like, after I'm sure about the first post, I confirm, see, him, the next post, I try to say, like, a frame, them a frame him, because him are the number one ranker on TikTok and all them things there. So, guys, what me want to ask you now, you see? I want to think about the situation. I want to think Pretty Dan deserve it or what? Because truth to be told is that for me personally, I don't think them will take the TikTok thing too serious. Because remember, so we know 2 TikTokers were actually dead because of the whole thing. Naya and Bossed. Another TikToker get beat up and all them. So we think them might take this thing too far. The styling thing. You understand? Remember, you know, Pretty Dan is a known styler, you know, because Pretty Dan come out and beat everybody left, right, and center. So some people right now I say Pretty Dan deserve what she get. Because Pretty Dan threaten people all the time still, you know. So I want to think, say, Pretty Dan deserve it or what? Me personally feel say Blamdem never want hurt her. But I tell you why me think so, guys. Remember, if a man really want hurt you, you know, a man not go come and threaten you. A man not just come and pop off. Because remember, Blamdem and him friends them were armed, right? So them not have time to go walk up to Dan for say, hey boy, where. No, the man just pop off. Talk it truth, one thing. You man just pop off if you really want hurt Dan. Me feel like we Blamdem do. I feel just make Dan know herself and say, look here, you, me hurt you. And me can't hurt you. But me no feel like him did really want hurt Dan. You wanna threaten him. You threaten him with a firearm. You wouldn't just do him if you do and call it that day and nobody wanna know say I Blamdem. You wouldn't mask up in face same way and just do him. I do me just feel like, you know, him just want shit no Pretty Dan. So, guys, just comment and tell me what you think about the situation. And some of them content creators too, them just have to be careful. Oh, them a call people name and I say some things and, you know, some serious thing them a say about certain people. I remember everybody have feelings. A man we do things out of anger. You understand what I say? But that's how me have to say no to the guys. So just comment and let me know what you think about the whole situation. So see you guys in another video.
And I said, you know what? I don't even want to go because if y'all trying to give me a Grammy with her